Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to look at this product called AOETREE, which is a cordless leaf blower. As you know, this is fall season. There's a lot of leaves around the yard, on the deck. So this is a nice product. So first of all, shout out to AOETREE store for sending me this to test and share a video to you guys. This is an amazing product. First thing I notice is the lightweight. This is super light. It comes with 1 year warranty and it comes with two 20-volt battery. Amazing. So in case you run off one battery, you have another one to look at. So let's open this and see, and we are going to test it and see the performance. And if you want to buy, I'll leave the link in the description below where you can buy from Amazon. So stay tuned. Let's open this and see. So first thing you see, there's a card from AOETREE Quick Start Guide. So that's a quick user manual. It shows you how to just assemble it. So here we go. Another thing. Let's see what this should be. The charger, I'm assuming. And yes, it is. So it comes with a charger, which works in North America. And then we see two boxes here, which I'm assuming is the battery. Let's have a look. And it is battery. So it comes with two batteries with user manual. You have to read that. It's a battery, so you need to know how to take care of it for longer life. So let's keep that aside, and here comes the real product. So here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 pieces, and let's quickly assemble it. So this is where the battery goes, which will slide in. Amazing. It looks so nice. I like the bright neon color. It matches my watch. My favorite color. Let's see. Yeah, it's just snaps in, and then let me shake it down. No, wrong way. It should be here, so that it clips here. And it's all solid, strong. And there's the button to switch on, 2-speed control. And let's put in the battery. Before that, you need to charge the battery. That's the first thing you're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery quickly, and then we will test it. So as you know, it's a 20-volt battery. So here's where you plug in. It's straightforward. And then 110 volt. And once you plug in, it should indicate a red color. That means it's charging. And once it's fully charged, this red will become green color. That means it's fully charged. So let's leave it. So now that the battery is fully charged, I'm gonna show you how to assemble. All you do is just make sure this surface facing there, and it slides through this gap, through that crevices. And there's a little button here. You see the gap? You need to flush it by pressing it and pushing it all the way in. So now it's sitting properly, it's locked. Now to take it out, you press this button again and then pull it out. Okay, it's simple. And push it in, that's it. Now to switch on. That sounds amazing. Let's feel it. My wife is gonna be upset, it's her plan. Anyway, let's test this outdoor. So here we are going to put this on test, and you see my walkway is full of leaves, so let's begin. There's plenty of leaves here. I never cleaned this season, so it's piling up. And so here, we're going to test this. As you see, there's a lot of dry leaves here on my walkway. So let's put this on test. Look at that.